In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit letter spacing on Visme, a handy tool for anyone looking to make their text stand out with perfect clarity and style. Whether you're creating a presentation, an infographic, or a social media graphic, the spacing between letters can make a significant difference in the readability and design of your project. Let's dive right into it. First, you need to select the text box you want to edit. This might seem straightforward, but it's crucial to select the correct text box, especially if your project has multiple text elements. Once you've clicked on the desired text box, you'll notice that a handy text editing toolbar will pop up. This toolbar is your main gateway to all the formatting options Visme has to offer. As you explore this toolbar, you'll need to look for either a drop-down or a More menu option. Visme organizes its text formatting features in this menu to keep everything tidy and easy to find. According to the Visme help documents, you can adjust several aspects of your text here, such as text spacing and line height, which are essential for enhancing your text's visual appeal. Once you've located the More menu, it's time to focus on the text spacing option. This is where the magic happens. Here, you'll be able to manually adjust the spacing between letters to your preference. This feature is a fantastic way to ensure that your text is neither too cramped nor too spaced out, striking the perfect balance for the design you're aiming for. Afterward, you can start adjusting the letter spacing by either increasing or decreasing the value. This process can be done incrementally, allowing you to fine-tune the spacing precisely to your liking. Whether you want a subtle adjustment or a bold change, take your time to find the spacing that best suits your visual goals. Once you've made the changes you think look right, it's time to preview your work. Click outside the text box to apply your changes and then take a moment to visually inspect your design. This step is crucial because it allows you to see the impact of your changes in the context of your entire project. Sometimes, what might look good in a small toolbar window can appear differently when taken in as part of the larger picture. If something doesn't look quite right, don't worry. You can always go back and make additional adjustments until you're satisfied with the outcome. And there you have it. Now you know how to change letter spacing in Visme to enhance the look of your text and get your design to communicate exactly what you want it to say. Whether you're making a small tweak or a major overhaul, these steps should help guide you to achieve your desired results. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.